Hey there. If you're trying to solve issues with your Nest Cam IQ Indoor, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the topic of how to factory reset Nest Cam IQ Indoor to get your device back to its original state. A factory reset is often the last resort for troubleshooting persistent issues, so make sure this is the right step. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process to perform a reset safely and effectively, ensuring your device is ready for a fresh start. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before starting the reset process, make sure you have everything you need. This includes your Nest Cam IQ Indoor device, a stable Wi-Fi connection, access to the Google Home or Nest app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Open the app. First, open the Google Home or Nest app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your Nest Cam. This step is crucial as the factory reset will remove the camera from your account and you'll need to set it up again after. Step 3. Access the device setting. Once you're in the app, locate your Nest Cam IQ Indoor on the home screen. Tap on your camera to open its settings. In the settings menu, look for options related to device functions or general settings. Here, you'll find the option to remove the device from your account, which you need to do before performing factory reset. Step 4. Remove the device. Before you can reset the camera, you must remove it from your account. Tap on the option to remove the device, often located in the Settings or Account Management section within the app. Confirm your choice. This step ensures that your camera is no longer connected to your account, allowing for a clean reset. Step 5. Perform the factory reset. Now, locate the reset button on your Nest Cam IQ Indoor. This button is typically located on the back of your device. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. You will notice the status light blinking or hear a chime indicating the reset process has started. Continue holding the button until the light changes color or another chime sounds, confirming the reset is complete. Step 6. Set up your camera again. After the reset, your camera will be restored to its factory settings. Open the Google Home or Nest app once more and follow the prompts to add a new device. This process involves reconnecting the camera to your Wi-Fi network and setting up any preferences as needed. Ensure the camera is properly connected to your account to resume full normal functionality. That's it. Now you know how to factory reset Nest Cam IQ Indoor. Whether you're experiencing persistent issues or preparing to sell or gift your device, factory reset can give your camera a fresh start. Remember, resetting deletes all previous settings, so only proceed if you're sure this step is necessary. By following the above steps carefully, your Nest Cam IQ Indoor will be ready for new tasks and settings in no time. Good luck and enjoy your refreshed device.